What's the meaning of class? Class. Class.
Class. Class. In programming, a class is a blueprint for creating objects that have similar properties and behaviors. It defines the characteristics of objects, such as variables and functions, methods, and serves as a template for creating instances of those objects. Classes enable code to be organized and modular, making it easier to maintain and reuse. They provide a way to separate data and functionality and encapsulate related code in a single unit. Overall, classes are a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming and are used extensively in many programming languages, including Java, Python, and C++.